I just want to give you a real quick take of how this model works. So most business owners, they need more business. They're always looking for more business and more leads, but they don't know where to find them or how to go about it, or think it might be too much money. And in some cases it is. But what if I could give that business owner, let's say it's a fence company and they install fences. What if I could give them 30, 40, 50 people a month who want estimates on a new fence? And let's say they have a big enough crew where they can do 10 installs a month out of those 30 or 40, 50 estimate requests. And let's say that their average net profit per job is $5,000, which is pretty average. I work with a lot of fence companies, and their average net profit is between $4,500 and $6,000 for a fence install. So we'll use $5,000 here to make the math easy. So if they're doing 10 jobs a month at $5,000, that's $50,000 in net profit. So do you think they'd be more than happy to pay me $2,000, $2,500, or $3,000 every month to get that $50,000 in net profit every month? Of course they would, all day long, and that's how this model works. But that's really the simple way to explain this, and tell me if that doesn't make sense. 3,000 for $50,000 in net profit every month, right? That's what it is, and it makes sense. The business owners love it. We become long-term partners in their growth. We create partnerships with them that last a long time, so we get paid residual passive income for life for assets that we own and can re-rent to someone else should they ever retire.